Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this super short tutorial, we're going to show you exactly how you can join the Midjourney server on Discord. For instance, if you'd like to learn how to create stunningly beautiful AI art using the Midjourney AI art generator. So let's get started right away. So what you want to do is launch Discord on your computer, be it on your laptop or on your PC. And what you want to do after that, guys, here on your home screen is click on that plus icon on the very left-hand side, add a server. However, guys, instead of creating your own server, you may simply join an already existing server by clicking on join a server below. So what you want to do after that is click on don't have an invite here, because you're going to join the Discord server of Midjourney without any invitation. So click on don't have an invite here. And what you want to do after that, guys, is browse through the library of servers and communities here on Discord by simply using the search bar in the top right corner and simply type in Midjourney here, just like that. And what you want to do after that is click on the community to join the official Midjourney server. As you can see, there is no real application process. You simply click on the server and join it. However, guys, remember that there are some rules and guidelines to follow as a new member here on Midjourney. So I recommend to go through this getting started tutorial here on the Midjourney server to familiarize yourself with the do's and don'ts of spending time and working here on the Midjourney server. And that's basically it. That's how we join the Midjourney server. As you can see, the server is now in the list of my servers here on the left hand side on Discord. That's how we do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and I'll catch you later.